Hello everyone, let us discuss conflict resolution today. Conflict resolution is an essential skill that helps individuals and groups resolve disputes peacefully and productively. Conflict is a natural part of human interaction, and it can arise due to differences in opinions, values, or goals. While conflict can be healthy and lead to growth and development, it can also be destructive and lead to adverse outcomes such as loss of productivity, poor communication, and damaged relationships. Therefore, conflict resolution skills are crucial in personal and professional settings. In this video, we will discuss the importance of conflict resolution, the several types of conflicts, the steps involved in conflict resolution, and some effective conflict resolution strategies. Conflict resolution is essential in personal and professional settings for several reasons. Firstly, unresolved conflict can lead to negative outcomes such as tension, stress, and anxiety. When individuals or groups cannot resolve disputes, it can increase frustration and anger, resulting in poor decision-making and decreased productivity. Secondly, conflict resolution can improve relationships. When conflicts are resolved effectively, it can lead to more robust and more positive relationships. By addressing the underlying issues and working together to find a solution, individuals or groups can better understand each other and learn to appreciate their differences. Thirdly, conflict resolution can lead to growth and development. When individuals or groups are forced to confront their differences and work together to find a solution, it can lead to personal and professional growth. By learning how to resolve conflicts effectively, individuals can develop better communication and problem-solving skills, which can be valuable in all areas of life. There are several types of conflicts: personal, interpersonal, group, and organizational. For example, personal conflicts are internal conflicts arising from differences in values, beliefs, or goals. Personal conflicts can occur when individuals face a decision that goes against their values or beliefs. Group conflicts occur between two or more groups. Group conflicts can arise due to differences in goals, discounts, or resources. Effective conflict resolution involves several steps. These steps include: the first step in conflict resolution is identifying the issue. It is essential to understand the conflict before attempting to resolve it. It is important to listen actively to each party's perspective and try to understand their point of view. The second step is to explore the interests and needs of all parties involved in the conflict. Understanding the underlying needs and interests that drive each party's position is essential. The third step is to generate opportunities for resolving the conflict. It is important to encourage creativity and brainstorming to develop various viable solutions. The fourth step is to evaluate the options generated in the previous step. It is essential to consider the benefits and drawbacks of each option and choose the most likely to meet all parties' needs. The fifth step is to choose the best option for resolving the conflict. It is crucial to communicate the decision clearly to all parties involved. The sixth step is implementing the decision. It is essential to follow through on the decision and ensure all parties understand their roles and responsibilities. The final step is to evaluate the outcome of the conflict resolution process. It is essential to reflect on what worked well and what could be improved for future conflict resolution processes. It can help identify areas of strength and weakness in conflict resolution and guide future efforts to resolve conflicts. There are several effective conflict resolution strategies that individuals and groups can use to resolve conflicts. These include: 1. Effective communication is critical in conflict resolution. Listening actively to each party's perspective and communicating clearly and respectfully is essential. Communication can help to clarify misunderstandings and can help to identify underlying issues that need to be addressed. 2. Collaboration involves working together to find a solution that meets the needs of all parties involved. Collaboration requires a willingness to listen to different perspectives and to be open to compromise. 3. Mediation involves using a neutral third party to facilitate conflict resolution. A mediator can help to clarify misunderstandings and can help to identify underlying issues that need to be addressed. 4. Negotiation involves finding a mutually acceptable solution through bargaining and compromise. Negotiation requires a willingness to give and take and to find a solution that meets the needs of all parties involved. 5. Empathy involves understanding and acknowledging the feelings and perspectives of others. Empathy can help to build trust and can help to create a more positive and productive conflict resolution process. 6. Problem solving involves identifying the root causes of the conflict and working together to find a solution that addresses these underlying issues. Problem solving requires a willingness to explore different options and to be open to innovative ideas. 7. Conflict transformation involves changing the underlying dynamics that led to the conflict in the first place. Conflict transformation requires a long-term approach and addresses power imbalances, cultural differences, and systemic issues. Conflict resolution is an essential skill that can help individuals and groups to resolve disputes peacefully and productively. Conflict is a natural part of human interaction, and it can arise due to differences in opinions, values, or goals. Effective conflict resolution involves several steps, including identifying the issue, exploring the interests and needs of all parties, generating options, evaluating the options, choosing the best option, implementing the decision, and evaluating the outcome. There are several effective conflict resolution strategies that individuals and groups can use to resolve conflicts, including communication, collaboration, mediation, negotiation, empathy, problem solving, and conflict transformation. Individuals can improve their personal and professional relationships by developing conflict resolution skills and contributing to a more peaceful and productive society. Thanks for watching.